You're about to hear a short excerpt from a podcast discussion with Roger Knecht from the United States of America. If you like what you're hearing and you want to get more, please go to humanizethenumbers.online or go to your favourite podcast platform.
As a firm, one of the things that I feel that we need to do a really good job of is describe our services in such a way that the client understands not only what they're getting, but how it benefits them. And so we need to step back and say, what are we really doing for our clients so that we can package our services in such a way that they're willing to pay for it and understand what they got. So I've earlier mentioned those three core services: bookkeeping and accounting, tax planning and preparation, CFO and advisory. Well, at the bookkeeping accounting level, it's just, what are you interested in getting? Are you just needing the compliance? Are you just wanting the financial reports? Or would you appreciate some analysis, interpretation, some therefore what discussions about how I can actually see how the business is being run and is there a way to improve it? Well, if I'm at that level, I'm able to now price my services to say, when you pay for your services, you're going to get, let's say, not just the bookkeeping, but the accounting. When it goes to the tax planning and preparation, are you just simply asking that I'm filing the returns, that I'm taking the numbers in a timely manner, getting them in before the deadline? Or are you hoping that we're going to meet throughout the year and actually have discussions about ways to mitigate your tax liability legally? Well, if that's the case, I need to actually meet with you throughout the year to ensure that not only are we having a discussion about what can you do, but we're helping you actually take care of them so that they're done by the deadline, so I can apply those actual things to the tax code and actually get the benefit that you deserve. Well, that's something that's going to require additional meetings and conversations. If it's CFO and advisory, we're going to have meetings about your business model. We're going to talk about compensation plans as it relates to your employees. We're going to be talking about capital, whether or not you need an infusion of cash, what you're doing to actually pay those back. More importantly, what are you doing to actually leverage the business as it relates to business lines of credit, business loans, let's say credit cards and so forth. These are things that we're going to have as a conversation that relate to your business structure. So what of these interest you? What of these do you want to have? And somebody may say, I'm only interested in the bookkeeping. Just keep me compliant and I'm happy. Someone's going to say, I love what I'm doing, but I'm kind of a fish out of water here as it relates to running a business. Are you able to actually assist me so that I can do this and do so profitably, so I can sleep at night understanding that the cash flow is there? Yeah, I can do that. Okay, that's going to require this level of service. Therefore, it's going to be the bookkeeping, accounting, and CFO and advisory. These types of discussions basically lend themselves well to the marketing. Am I able to explain this in the sales material that I'm producing? Am I having this as part of my conversation? But also it comes to pricing. And we can have a lengthy conversation about pricing, but I'm a very big proponent of both menu pricing as well as value pricing. And this is conducive to either of those. But with the menu pricing, imagine you just have 3 packages for your clients. I can do this, this, or this. Which would you like to do? And that's one of these things that this assists with.